टिम्बर IS 399। टिम्बर के ऊपर वाले भाग मतलब पेड़ के ऊपर वाले भाग को ब्रांच कहते हैं, जिससे 20% इंजीनियरिंग वुड प्राप्त होता है। ऊपर वाला क्राउन ड्रिप्थ ड्यूरिंग ग्रोथ आफ्टर कटिंग। बीच वाले भाग को स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर कहते हैं। ट्रंक 80% इंजीनियरिंग वुड। नीचे को रूट कहते हैं। क्राउन कटिंग या फॉलिंग से जो बनता है, देखिए रफ टिम्बर सीजनिंग करके उसको काम के लायक बनाते हैं। 50% वुड इससे प्राप्त होता है। बिफोर 50% सेप मॉइस्चर। स्ट्रक्चरल सेप 20 to 30% नॉट रिमूव। कैविटी सेप 70 to 80% ऑलवेज रिमूव। फाइबर सेचुरेशन पॉइंट बीच का जो रहता है। आफ्टर सीजनिंग वुड 88 to 90%, सेप 10 to 12%, सेचुरेटेड वेट। कन्वीनियंस sewing type of pieces, assigning product, converted timber, method and types, prevention, product decay, dry root and wet root। अब क्लासिफिकेशन देखेंगे। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ टिम्बर अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्रेड यूज एंड यूजफुल लाइफ। IS 6464 सैचुरेटेड वुड, हार्डवुड। प्रोडक्ट वुड, डोर एंड विंडो, हार्डवुड। हाई ड्यूरेबल टिम्बर यूजफुल लाइफ मोर देन 10 years। मीडियम ड्यूरेबल टिम्बर यूजफुल लाइफ 5 to 10 years। लेस ड्यूरेबल टिम्बर यूजफुल लाइफ लेस देन 5 years। सॉफ्ट वुड यूजफुल लाइफ मोर देन 30 years। हार्डवुड यूजफुल लाइफ मोर देन 40 years। अकॉर्डिंग टू modulus of elasticity, grade A modulus of elasticity is more than 12.5 into 10 to power 3 MPa। Group B modulus of elasticity 9.8 into 10 to power 3 MPa to 12.5 into 10 to power 3 MPa। Group C modulus of elasticity 5.6 to 10 into 10 to power 3 MPa to 9.8 into 10 to power 3 MPa। According to availability, Group X production more than 1450 meter cube per year। Group Y production 355 meter cube per year to 1415 meter cube per year। Group Z production less than 355 meter cube per year। According to types, endogenesis tree and exogenesis tree। Endogenesis tree, if growth of trunk is inward direction along the length and edge, example date and bamboo, it's give softwood, it's not used for engineering purpose। Bamboo only used in small scaffolding। Exogenous tree, if growth of trunk is outward direction along the length of the edge। इसका भी दो टाइप रहता है, कॉनिफर एवरग्रीन ट्री, डिसीडियस ट्री। एवरग्रीन ट्री बनियान ट्री, पीपल ऑफ बरगद, इट्स गिव सॉफ्ट वुड, इट्स नॉट यूज फॉर इंजीनियरिंग पर्पस, सदाबहार वन। डिसीडियस ट्री चीर, सीसम, ब्लैक वुड, इट्स गिव हार्ड वुड, इट्स यूज फॉर इंजीनियरिंग पर्पस, पतझड़ वन। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डिसीडियस एक्सोजेनस ट्री, पिथ, मेडुला वुड। Pith wood, innermost part of the timber। Pith wood is a dark color wood। Pith wood consists by cellular tissues। Hardwood, pith wood surrounded by hardwood। Hardwood is dark color wood in the hardwood, highest strength with minimum moisture content। Sapwood, hardwood surrounded by sapwood। Sapwood transfer the sap content each part of tree by capillary action। Cambium layer wood, sapwood surrounded by cambium layer wood। Cambium layer wood is outermost wood layer of timber। It's only applied by atmosphere, affected by atmosphere। Modular ray is thin radial fiber। Modular ray contain all wood layer of timber। Bark is the outermost layer of the tree। Bark protect the tree from atmospheric effect। ये ट्री का इनर पार्ट है। पिथ, हार्डवुड, सैपवुड, कैम्बियम लेयर, बार्क, मॉड्यूलरी रे। स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल टिम्बर इज मोर देन 1.54 इन ड्राई कंडीशन। बल्क स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल टिम्बर इज लेस देन 1। कैपेसिटी ऑफ टिम्बर इज हाइएस्ट इफ लोड इज अप्लाइड पैरेलल टू ग्रेन। टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल टिम्बर इज 80 to 190 MPa parallel to its grain। Shear strength of structural timber is 6.5 to 14.5 MPa parallel to its grain। Seasoning of timber. Seasoning is a process in which remove cavity sap from timber. Seasoning of timber complete according to fiber saturation point. Fiber saturation point is sap content level in which remove cavity sap and remain structural shape. At the fiber saturation point, timber gain dimensional stability with highest strength and minimum stress. Moisture content of timber in well seasoning at FSP is 10% to 12%, but also depend upon relative humidity of atmosphere. Relative humidity less than 40%. Saturation structural timber 12%, product 10%. Class 2 40% to 50%. Class 3 50% to 67%. Class 4 more than 67%. Strength with respect to FSP. Due to seasoning occur shrinkage in timber. Longitudinal strain del L by L. Circumferential strain del C by C. Radius strain del R by R. Del C by C is more than del R by R is more than del L by L. Type of seasoning. Natural seasoning. Natural seasoning is completed by sun-day process, so occurs some defect in natural seasoning. After natural seasoning, remaining moisture content is 10 to 15%. Artificial seasoning 10 to 12%. Water seasoning. In this seasoning, timber sowing in suitable section according to sapwood and place in flow water for 2 to 3 weeks. Sap content flow with water. Boiling seasoning. In this seasoning, timber immersed in boiling water for 3 to 4 hours. Sap content mixed with boiled water. Chemical salt seasoning. In this seasoning, timber immersed in suitable of sodium chloride or arsenic acid ASiO5 AS2O5. This salt absorb the sap content from timber. Electric seasoning. In this seasoning, supply high voltage current in timber that soak the sap content. Its quickest process of seasoning, so occurs some defect. Kiln seasoning. Structure of kiln is a oven that's uses for timber seasoning. In this seasoning, place in kiln with proper air circulation. Maintain temperature in kiln 38 degrees Celsius for 10 to 20 days. Kiln seasoning is most effective and most popular because in this seasoning no chances of defects. Conventional conversion of timber. Sowing. Measurement of sowing in timber in meter square. Task work for hardwood sowing is 4 meter square per meter per day. Task work for softwood sowing in 6 meter square per meter per day. In the length measurement of wooden nearest value is 0.002 meter. In the width and thickness measurement of wooden nearest value is 0.0002 meter. Type of seasoning. Ordinary, simple, slab, flat sowing. Simple. Wastage minimum. Average strength piece. Strength of timber pieces are different. इस तरह से काटते हैं. Quadral sowing. Bulk production, low strength. Cutting line meet at right angle. Wastage. Combined cambium layer. Number of modular ray cutting strength decrease. Radial or ripped sowing. Strength maximum. Adopt for all good work and structural product. Wastage maximum. इस तरह से काटते हैं. Tangential sowing. In this sowing, cut all the modular ray, so strength timber piece is minimum. Type of leg. Leg is a trunk timber pieces after cutting all branches. Pole spear. Pole is a long piece of log that's diameter not exceeded 20 centimeter. Batten. It is a timber pieces that's width and thickness not exceed 5 centimeter. End is short piece of battened. Plank. Panel. Plank is a timber piece that thickness not exceed 5 centimeter. Dado work. Meter square thickness. Quaternion is a timber piece that's length, width and height are same. Its dimension is 5 to 15 centimeter. Prevention of timber. Preservation of timber. Preservation is a process in which improve resistance of timber about atmospheric attack, chemical attack, fungal attack, and termite attack. Method of preservation: surface treatment, immersion soaking, hot and cold treatment, pneumatic pressure treatment, diffusion process, bamboo, bunching process, green tree. Type of preservation: creosote creosote process. Creosote is bitumen oil. Pneumatic pressure 0.9 MPa. Oil temperature 50 degrees Celsius. Pressure treatment: high effective, long durable, very cheap, black color, bad smell. Uses: pile foundation and rail sleeper. Disadvantage: black color, low visible, bad smell. Walnut salt process: creosote oil plus LAF. Walnut salt smell free. Sodium chloride. Sorghum treatment: sorghum is a natural oil. Sorghum is a pigment material. Sorghum applied on wooden by surface treatment for protection and decoration. Coal tar wood tar treatment. Road tar surface treatment. Coal tar is bitumen product. Its color is black to low visible. It's also improve water resistance. ASCU treatment: arsenic copper treatment. ASCU is a solution in which 1 part of copper sulfate, 3 part of arsenic acid, and 4 part of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 1:3:4. It's applied as a surface treatment. Oil paint treatment: most popular treatment. Fireproof treatment: by special chemical in this process applied 2 quart of solution of borax of sodium arsenate. Sir Abel's process: in this process applied 3 quart. Quart 1 is applied by dilute solution of sodium silicate Na2SiO3. Quart 2 select fat lime paste. Quart 3 solution of silicate of soda Na2SiO3. Defects in timber during growth: star shake. Reason: atmospheric effect. Effect: a crack generated on top fiber that's finish the hardwood on pith wood. Radial shake. Reason: low atmospheric attack like high sun and frost. Effect: a crack generated on top fiber that's finished in cambium layer. Hard shake. Reason: stress difference. Effect: a crack generated in hardwood that's finished on top fiber. Annular ring. Grooved marking on cambium layer known annular ring. 1 annular ring generated each year. Annular ring uses to counting age of tree. Reason: rapid growth of tree. Effect: annular ring winded and strength reduce. Cup shake. Reason: strong wind and in single direction. Effect: defected the cambium layer. Ring shake. if cup shake defect cover full cambium non ring shake. Hole after seasoning. Ringal improper branch cutting during growth. Note: if growth of branch stop due to ringal known as note. Upset: if wood fiber injured due to compression or crushing during growth known upset. Split is separation of wood fiber at mid of hardwood shapewood due to hardness difference. Defect after cutting. Foxiness. Reason: lack of ventilation during storage. Effect: strain in timber. Druxiness. Reason: fungi attack during storage. Effect: start dry root. Case hardening. Reason: in the seasoning if generated compression on the top fiber and tension at mid fiber known case hardening. Honeycombing is interior crack. Reason: in the timber it's generated due to rapid drying. Diagonal grain. It's occur due to improper sewing. Due to its effect generated hair crack on surface. chip mark if wood fiber injured due to falling of tool during conversion. Warp if shape of timber twisted during seasoning. Non-warp check it's occur due to rapid drying. Seasoning due to this effect wood fiber separated. Bow twisting in timber along the length during improper storage. Non-bow. Cup twisting in timber along the width during improper storage is known as cup. Decay in timber. Dry root it's occur due to lack of ventilation. Start fungi attack and generated white ant. With white ants uses wood as a food. Wet root if timber alternate place dry and wet climate then start wet root in fiber of timber. Non-wet root. Brown root it's occur due to fungi attack and termite attack. Due to this attack decay the wood fiber. Work most suitable tree टॉयज़ के लिए महागनी. टून म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. जैक स्पोर्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. मलबरी रेल स्लीपर. साल देवदार. एग्रीकल्चरल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. टीक ब्लैकवुड. हाउस कंस्ट्रक्शन. टीक शीशम ब्लैकवुड. प्लाईवुड कंसिस्ट बाय veneers. Thickness of veneers is 0.4 to 0.6 mm. Veneers made of by oak wood. Mulberry teak wood. In the plywood veneers always in odd number. In the plywood minimum number of veneers is 3. Minimum thickness of plywood is 4 mm and maximum thickness of plywood is 25 mm. In the plywood veneers compress by 7 to 14 kg per centimeter square pressure with glue. In the plywood grain arrange at right angle. Advantage of plywood. Tensile strength of plywood same in all direction. Plywood made by of in any size. Strength of plywood 3 times more compared to timber in same thickness. Resistance of plywood is about vibration and impact more than ordinary wood. Disadvantage of plywood. Resistance of plywood about ventilation and impact less than standard timber. Plywood easily affected by moisture so it's not used at external surface. Softwood. Hardwood. Softwood light color cheer देवदार pine. Hardwood dark color teak शीशम oak blackwood. Strength teak. Yield strength soft. Yield strength cheer. Toughness resistance about white ants शीशम. Type of timber according to difficulties of seasoning. High refractory very difficult in seasoning. Give high heat on burning. Very hardly flammable. Example शीशम teak oak. Refractory moderate difficult in seasoning. Moderate heat giving on burning. Moderate flammable. Example cheer देवदार pine. Non-refractory easy in seasoning. Give low heat. Easy flammable. Example bamboo. Type of shrinkage percent. Linear 0.1 to 0.3. Radial 3 to 6. Tangential 7 to 12. The longitudinal elastic modulus of structural timber is 10 to 20 times larger than the radius of tangential elastic modulus. Transverse elastic modulus. Moreover, radial elastic modulus is twice the tangential elastic modulus of wood. Cutting of tree. Plain area midwinter. Hilly area midsummer. फाइबर सैचुरेशन पॉइंट का सैचुरेटेड मॉइस्चर लेवल रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी पर निर्भर करता है.